Hi guys, welcome back to Abby's channel. Okay guys, today I'll be doing a DIY on Abby's little birthday gift. I'm not going to be using a lot of items. I'm just going to be using some few items that I got at my local store. So today I'll be using a Pizza Patron box that I found outside. But no, I'm playing. Me and Abby just ate pizza right now, but she doesn't know that I'm doing this DIY. The little wrap you use for your, I don't know why people use it. Gift box. I'm 18.5 centimeters by 18.5 centimeters, so it's all equal. A 15 by 18 by 5. So it's usually almost the same size as this. It's just smaller. And a knife, an X-Acto knife, some broken ass tape. What's it called? Yeah, wet foam. You need wet foam. I got two. You just need two. Don't open it with a knife. So you get your trash, just fucking throw that. Do the same thing with these. One is bigger than the other one. I don't know if you can see that. So we're usually going to use a smaller one. Our goal for today is trying to fit this one into this little thing. But in order to do that, we can't do that because I'll measure it right here. So this little space, we're gonna freestyle it. Just trace the shit out of it. But make sure you trace straight, guys, because after all, it's a gift.
Later.
Now basically what you do, you're going to try to fit your box, the one you just cut in here. What you're going to do is a piece that you cut that was left over from the little box that you cut inside, this one, you put it in here. I'm just going to put a straight line, two little dots. You pull. It's going to help it stop. It's going to help it stop what it's coming to. We're just going to close it back again. And there. So actually what you're going to do is you're going to make this, we'll try to cut this cardboard box so it can fit inside this, into this shape. Into a shape like this. Hold the styrofoam like this. So this is the bottom and this is the top. And then on this styrofoam is going to have the roses.
2,000 years later.
I have never wasted an hour in this shit. Basically what I did was I put the cardboard box inside. Put the cardboard box to make it full. I kind of messed up because I didn't have a ruler. So, I mean, if you can do it better, do it better. I don't waste money, but Abby usually gets mad at me if I waste too much money. So today I'll show her my cheap ass me. Now what we're gonna do we're going to use the cling paper. We're going to put it inside. Why? Because we're going to use the styrofoam, the wet foam, and we're going to put it in here. So when we put water for the flowers, go all the way in. That makes sense. So now we have this, and it usually opens up. So now when it opens up, we're gonna put the little chocolate. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your food wrap, and then you're gonna open it up.
Later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
Literally took like an hour. I had layers and layers and layers. That's what I did. That's the easiest, because in the other tutorial that I saw, she usually just adds like one layer. But she does it so perfect.
Make you glad you came. The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same.
Guys, I'm the background noise. I'm not singing. I'm the background guys. So. Watch how perfectly I'll hit the note.
I'm glad you came. The sun goes down. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came.
Daniel!
I got the flowers and everything. I forgot the chocolates. I forgot the chocolate, so I'm gonna go to Walmart. Okay guys, right now I'm making the bow. Sorry it looks shitty, but once you do, you put your styrofoam or your wet foam. So to prep them, you just take off some petals, like the petals that are dead. As you can see, like these, let me try to focus it. Okay, right here. All of this it needs blooming. So you usually always want to pick out your flowers that are like this. Why? Because like in 2 days, 3 days, they'll usually bloom. Okay guys, it should look something like this. I put little chocolates inside. A whole bunch of balloons so it can match with her little box. So there's her box. Once she opens it, she'll have that little surprise. I was literally trying to do everything. Okay guys, this is what I managed to do. Cut the balloons, chocolates, and her flowers. Take them to her work. Hope you like them, Abby. Love you. Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Look at the flowers. Did you show them a close-up already?
No.
How did you get that? You even put a little ribbon to open it to hold?
Yeah, but it didn't even work.
It's so cute. Thank you, baby.
Mm-hmm.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
That's how you get pissy.
Daniel!
What?